का अभियान शुरू किया।
Welcome back. As Delhi continues to choke over worsening air pollution, the Supreme Court was informed that several air quality monitoring stations in the city were not working. A council appearing before the top court questioned how the graded response action plan could be implemented effectively when crucial pollution data was missing. During the hearing, Amicus curiae Aparajita Singh urged the Supreme Court to issue directions to the Commission for Air Quality Management and the Central Pollution Control Board to take preemptive measures to control the rising pollution levels. In response, Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai directed the CAQM and the CPCB to submit a report detailing the steps being taken to prevent the air quality from further deteriorating. Today's hearing comes as the national capital continues to grapple with worsening air quality, which remained in the very poor category. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, could you please take us through the details of this hearing that has been taking place regarding Delhi's deteriorating air quality?
Well, as Delhi's air is plummeting in this reeling air pollution in Delhi NCR, the bench led by Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, Justice K.V. Chandran, has taken up the matter. The matter came for hearing today before a lunch where the council suggested that court may direct a Commission for Air Quality Management, that is CAQM, for a report, for a detailed report as to what happened in last 15 days, what exactly is the air quality index in last 15 days, the formal data of it, and also our data on the pollution management, especially the pollution control board's data. Once this data is submitted in the Supreme Court will again resume the hearing and decide as to what were the factors responsible for deteriorating or plummeting of the air quality. And if we talk about today's hearing, another council in the Supreme Court has pointed out that CAQM, which is Commission for Air Quality Management, which monitors the air pollution in Delhi NCR, its report was submitted earlier but not discussed, and despite continuous reportage by the media highlighting non-functioning of the monitoring system. So whether the monitoring system failed to monitor the air pollution precisely is the question to be discussed out in the next date of hearing before the Chief Justice of India's bench, B.R. Gavai's bench, and it is to be seen what all, data is put before the Supreme Court, because earlier, while allowing the green firecrackers in Delhi NCR, Supreme Court has very clearly said that it is on trial experimental basis, and we will analyze and observe the data from 14th of October till 25th, or rather till November. Now the Supreme Court will observe, analyze this data, and will probably come up with something substantial or some important guidelines or guidance to the NCR states and probably to other states as well.
Sambhav, has any deadline been given to these two monitoring stations and also to the CPCB to submit that report?
Well, probably, if we talk about today's hearing, it underwent for around 10-15 minutes before lunch. So much today, there is nothing much happened in the Supreme Court when it comes to guidelines or directions. But yes, Supreme Court is Supreme Court's keen eyes are on this particular Delhi air pollution menace. And also, if I talk about one event where Chief Justice of India was there today, participating in Supreme Court Bar Association's event, there also Chief Justice has talked about pollution menace in Delhi NCR. So yes, it is very much in the minds of the top judges of the Supreme Court, and it is to be seen what directions they will pass when the Supreme Court will hear the matter next.
Absolutely, Sambhav.